ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka college puli nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Menteri Rangba Kajalau Konrad K. Sangmau lapan bena balamang pisa arphun Klur na kabintaban Pyndep ya kajingtai kabarangsa jong Iawmusiang market complex Jowai. Ya kini lapan bena hakasni khadu jong shat bedding klam hapung ainar hakasni balang. Menteri Rangba ul ai khublai ya kajing sinjang jong sen rat Jowai lo kajing ai jaka joki na kabintaban tai ya ka parking lot ha Jowai town. Hakajing kren Sangmau long halo kajingtai ya Iawmusiang market complex dan bun ki jirut jerat hande ke Sorkar kalarai kot banweng ye kijing e ulong ru bak project jong Iawmusiang market complex kalamak cibun kijing e hande asungmen ban pentip pangilai sim ye karai bakum ke Sorkar ban pediang ye kijing e baro Menteri Rangba ula pentip beya ka pisah tengka ka ba arfun ru Klur on bay dak Sorkar jela kadai ke project ka bakongsan bahana ka bentagi pai ba jong Jowai bat kerilum jantia bat kini ke project kay jan baha bat nga nomor balas dang do kupa jonga wala khlano ba kumta ngi la kular ban Pyndep yaka laong sangma ubade khun balai jong ulit porno e sangma ulong ru ba la khmil ti ban pelat ya katanda hakini gi artayo laitio banwan ba ukurmen ba ka wo order on aisha contractor ubade ho wanyo hakini gi hindro posni.
Yes, I have just announced, as you're aware, that the Iawmusiang market complex issue was a very, very complicated issue. We faced many hurdles from the past many years. The sanctions were made by central government, but because of certain changes and sometimes the contractor also not being able to complete the work, somewhere fund issue being happening, this project saw multiple challenges. But I'm happy to inform that we have decided as a government to absorb all of those challenges and once and for all sanction an amount of 26 crores to complete this project. This will be funded completely by the state. This is a very, very important project for the people of Jowai and Genti Hills in general, and a project that's very close to my heart also because it was initiated by my late father, and hence we are committed to complete it, and that is why we have gone for new sanction of 26 crores, which has been sanctioned just last week. We expect that the tendering process should take place in about 2 to 3 weeks' time, and we are hopeful that the work order should be given to the respective contractor within the next 60 days, and very soon the work for this new contract should start, and I hope that this project also will be complete very soon. So yes, I had recently met the Honourable Minister for Road and Surface Transport, Government of India, and I'm happy to inform that all the way from Umiam, the Shillong bypass to Jowai and further to Malidor and to Ratachera and to Silchar, the Government of India has approved a project estimate of over 20,000 crores to make this road into a 4-lane highway and also to create elevated roads wherever the landslide issues are there. And the survey is in progress. We are facing some challenges in few stretches because the people of those areas are requesting for alignments to remain the same. In some cases, the alignments to be changed. So those things are being sorted out. I urge Deputy Commissioners and the public to sort them out at the earliest within the next 15 days to 20 days time, so that the final process of starting the actual project can start in the earliest. But our target is that we should be able to tender out this project at the earliest, that is through Government of India, and this will be a game changer in fact for the state and also for the people of this region, as it will take care of the major issues we face during rainy season and different challenges we face because of the landslides that are there. So this is a very important project, and I thank the Government of India for taking this up, and I'm hopeful that we will get all the support from the people to take this project forward. We have always promoted art and culture, and therefore as a government we have also stressed that whatever support the government can give for art and culture, we are happy to give. And what you mentioned is absolutely correct. We have decided to give a research grant under the Chief Minister's Research Grant Project, where about 50 scholars and researchers will be supported financially by the government to do research on art and culture and the history of our state, and also on different economic as well as governance subjects. We are hopeful that this will improve the overall research and documentation of our state.